Hi, Noah here to show you how to use guided access on an iPad to log data both to the cloud and to your device so that you could email it later. Okay, let's look at the iPad. Okay, I got my iPad open. I have a orange tilt floating in a pint glass next to it. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the settings, open that up, and under display and brightness, I'm going to make sure the auto lock is set to never. Right here, this is set to never. There. Next, I will go to the general settings, and under accessibility, I will scroll to the guided access setting, turn that on. This gives me more options. One of them is passcode settings. This is a recommended setting. It allows you to lock your iPad while it's logging. So I'm going to go ahead and set a passcode. This is a different passcode than what your iPad would normally be using. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Make that nice and easy for me to remember. Then I'm going to go back. And the next option I'm going to select is the accessibility shortcut. This lets you turn on this feature just by pressing the home button 3 times. And I'll show you how to do that after this. Now I'm going to go back to the home screen and find my Tilt 2 app, open that up. And let's see, we have a tilt floating in water, so that's what we would expect. Now we're going to triple click and a little screen will pop up that says guided access at the top, and it gives me an option to start. There's a few options I can choose here. I'm going to just leave it as is and tap start. Now guided access has started. Now I'm going to start a new log. So to do that, I'm going to open this side panel here, select the tilt color. I'm going to select a beer name, and I'm just going to call this Noah, Noah's beer, Noah beer. Okay. And then for my email address, I am going to enter save. Now I get a message confirming. I'm going to activate the device logging setting. And then I'm going to activate the default cloud, use default cloud URL. This enables cloud logging. So I've received a notification that the system is ready to start a new log. I'm going to tap start new log. Okay, it looks like it's started logging. Okay. I'm going to close that. Now I'm going to look at my my data file. As you can see here, I have one data file. And if I try to share it, I get this message, no mail accounts. Please set up a mail account in order to send email. So in order for me to actually use the device logging, I need to go back and set up I'm going to go to the mail app, and then I'm going to, okay, I've now set up the mail app. I can now go back to the Tilt 2 app and just open that up. And let's go back to click on this link. As you can see now, I get a new email generated that will automatically be emailed to the email address you have entered in the app. Okay, that wraps up the video for how to set up your iPad for logging both to the cloud and to your iPad using guided access. Thanks and happy brewing.